Okay, hey everybody, Dan here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to talk about Nvidia yet again, because the thing still just continues to give us more and more reasons to talk about it. This is a trade that, as you know, hopefully you were doing it. We've been in for a while. Held it. You should be holding some over earnings. I just don't think anybody would ever be wise, any kind of a trader, to hold a full position over earnings. But if you've got a stock like this that's doing so good, you always want to have a little something. Just keep a little bit of something. And so Nvidia, anyway, was awesome after this. They don't have earnings yet. They still got a couple weeks to go. And so this stock is just going up because it's going up. That's it. And so hopefully you're still long from back here. I had said that 700 is pretty much in the bag, and I believe that it is. And the way I always say, not in a straight line. But the way this thing's looking, maybe it's going to be in a straight line. I'm doing this 2.5 hours after the market closed. And even on Friday, people are still kind of banging it around a little bit. But this is what I want to show you. We had a 506, the recent entry, a 506 entry with a real tight stop at 489. So that was our risk. And then I went and calculated all these R values, like we're risking this much, so we want to make twice that much to get R2, or 3 times that much to get R3, and like 3R, which is that's a good risk reward. That's pretty good. You'd like more, but I'll take it. I'll take these all day long, even if my batting average sucks. So that gets you up here. Well, this thing has just continued to go. And so what I wanted to show you was this stock, and you can really see it in spades on SMCI, but I'm not gonna go there right now. So the stock runs up here, and then it looks like on this day, oh, that's gonna be the end. It's gonna pause and all that, and it did. And so like you'd look at this level here at 628.49. So we'll just call it 630. So you look at 630 as the high. And so, oh, then the stock's going to drift around, and it does. Then it comes here, and it hits 630, actually up a little bit high, but then again, it kind of plinks down. So I don't know why I said plink. It didn't plink down. It just kind of traded a bit lower. So the point is, as you are looking at this chart, you're seeing 630 as strong resistance. That should hold. That should be the top right there. 630, heck of a move. 630 is the high. Okay, that would be the rule, right? That's what you're thinking. But then all of a sudden, no, the stock gaps up to 640. So what just happened? The stock did something that it wasn't supposed to do. It broke the law. It jumped up above 630 and didn't even look back. So what's your takeaway on this? Your takeaway is this: when you think the stock should be weak, when it seems like this move is pretty much done, and then the stock keeps going, that tells you that this move is ongoing. So we look at the weekly chart. These are lines that I'd drawn a while ago, just saying, like, I could see this stock as it pops out of the squeeze, kind of doing a little jigsaw, a little zigzag here, but then ultimately reaching the 700, right? Well, this is how strong this stock's been. It really hasn't zagged. It's just been zigging all the way up. And so my suggestion is, look, you just stay long the stock. Keep your trailing stop if you're a little skittish. Keep your trailing stop just below this prior day's intraday low. So right here, as long as the stock stays above this line, then you're good. If the stock pulls back and closes, say, below 600, which, by the way, is like a 10% pullback, that's what happens. If a stock does that, then it's something that you're going to need to take care of and get the heck out of there. But this is a weekly chart. I don't think you're going to see the stock fall this low. So my suggestion is stay long Nvidia. Just stay long the stock and you're going to do fine. By the way, next Tuesday, I'm teaching a class. It's a costly one. It's going to cost you a ton of money. Actually, no, it's free. And it's going to be about 90 minutes long, 10 steps to trading excellence. I'm going to teach you a lot of things that you probably don't know. I'm sure you don't know, frankly. So I want you to show up for that. You can register for it. We will be, I think we've sent out one email. We'll be sending out a couple more. You can also go, because as I do this, I don't have the link, but if you want to go to here. Okay. Hopefully I didn't say anything stupid here. Okay. You can go here. Like this is, I kind of explained this thing, but you can see /web. Again, maybe they'll be able to put it on the page, but I'm in my office all alone. Nobody likes me. So webinar /MTM.hotmail, HTML. It's really not Hotmail. I used to think it was hypertext markup language. So anyway, you go here and then you'll see this nice video of me, handsome devil. Shh. Thank you. That's a good look. So then just go down here and register. Boom, type in your name, address, social security number, and you too can be there. This is going to be a webinar that I'm really looking forward to teaching. And so I want you there. All right. I'm not planning on sending out a recording on this. It's just a live thing. So if you want 90 minutes of me, you definitely want to show up. And I promise you, you're going to learn a lot that you're going to be able to put to use right away. Okay. So I will see you next time.